This is regarding General Madondo. And following on your engagement with Commissioner Baloyi, I'm at paragraph 3. We know the complaint is that she got this lateral transfer without a top secret clearance certificate. At paragraph 3 states, Madondo poses a risk to CI, the subs and the country. I'll skip the next sentence. The last one, I don't understand how a senior officer who cannot be trusted is able to access and be in possession of intelligence reports and documents. Now, on the basis of these allegations and subsequent investigations, then IDAC has charged General Madondo in terms of CAS 453/06/25, correct?
Correct.
Why? I take it Mr. Adams is also being charged. What's good for the goose must be good for the gander. If General Madondo not having that clearance certificate poses a risk to CI, the subs and the country, I dare say so too is Mr. Adams. You agree that he doesn't have you're not aware of him having a top secret clearance certificate, and yet he is handling documents seemingly that come from crime intelligence and for which he doesn't have lawful access or authorized access. Once again, we are in that logical terrain where I say, if we accept that General Madondo has committed a crime and poses the risk that is articulated at paragraph 3, so equally too must Mr. Adams. Logic would dictate for me, unless I'm persuaded otherwise.
No, logic dictates correctly.
Yeah, correct. So we can expect IDAC to act at least on their very whistleblower on this part, on this point.
If I speak under correction.
Absolutely.
But he is arrested, I think, amongst others, for this contravention.
By IDAC?
Not by IDAC.
No, it's
Yes.
IDAC. Remember,
Yes.
it's IDAC who sought to arrest General Madondo.
Yes.
And this is part of the same investigation. Facts flowing
Absolutely.
from the same investigation.
The
So arresting General Madondo, equally I say,
Should
unless
we-
there's a reason why IDAC then decides not to take action against Mr. Adams. Would there be a legitimate explanation for that?
No.
Okay. Well, we will see.